Hello everyone, this is a Silkon SCF-UAC-52. As you can see, it's a 52-inch top-mounted spinner in white and brass. I made a previous video on this when I had bought it at the Habitat for Humanity I went to with a friend. It's pretty much how it came, other than the fact that I cleaned the smoke tar off of it. And then up there on the down rod, it looked like the original plastic lining that it would have been shipped with was still on there, and it was like absolutely covered in smoke tar. So I took it off, and I actually protected it really well, and it's in pretty good shape overall. This fan's in pretty good shape. It has a very interesting globe on it. What I've noticed about these Silkon fans is that they always seem to come with a 4-inch fitter, a 4-inch globe. If they have any light kit, they have typically will have a 4-inch globe, or I've seen some that have a 4 light kit type thing with like a center finial, but these fans seem to mainly have globes. They're the big oversized fitter, and then they have a, like, not even really a ceiling fan pole for the light. It's like an actual, here, I'll pull it off and show you. It's an actual like socket up in there. The clear globe actually makes it pretty easy to see. And then it has this piece that goes through the side. So that's very interesting to me. The brown, actually it's right there. Whenever this had the globe kit on it that it originally came with, it had the same thing. I of course took it off because a big globe on such a small fan, I didn't think it really looked right. Well, on that fan in particular. Some fans it looks all right, but I didn't like it on that one. So yeah, anyway, enough of my rambling. We'll get on to testing it. I'll first show off the light. All right. And we'll go to low. Other than the model number, I don't know how much this differs from the 42-inch version. In fact, I have the antique brass 42-inch version that I've recorded out here. However, one thing I will say is that this fan seems to spin a bit slower than the 52-inch one I have. That's the one with the housing on it. So I don't know if the capacitor's bad or if they just use the same motor and capacitor all together and just change the model number. All right. There's medium. This fan does wobble a little bit. It appears that the blades got bent up. It wouldn't surprise me if whoever took it out of the house and gave it to Habitat just left the blades on. One other thing is that this didn't have a mounting bracket, but luckily the antique brass one had the same style, although I wonder if the little thumb screws on top would have originally been brass rather than antique brass, or maybe they all were the same color. I'm not sure. All right, let's go to high. I can feel a bit of air coming off of it. Well, actually, I take that back. It doesn't spin that slowly. But definitely not as fast as the 42-inch ones. All right, now spin down. Another nice thing at Habitat was that this fan was $15, and I didn't even realize that the green tags were 50% off, so I only got it for, it was only $7.50, so it wasn't bad, especially for how clean this one is. This is probably one of the cleanest ones. The brown and brass one is in very good shape as well. The only thing is, though, it appears that these smaller stickers that they put on the newer ones fade really bad, which is unfortunate. On the original Silkons, they have a pretty big sticker, and they don't seem to fade as well, or as badly as I should say. But whenever they started doing the ball and socket rather than the double claw hook weird thing that they did on the original ones, they use these smaller stickers, and it just doesn't seem like they hold up as well. Alright, well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.